Okay, just started doing spark plugs on the Outback. Got the first coil pack out. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, like most Subarus, it's a pain. You could take the engine mounts off and jack up the engine, but I'm gonna try and do this with everything in. So on the passenger side, just took off the intake. Just like two 12mm bolts here that go in down here. And for the plugs, just went with the OEM NGKR laser platinum. I just had to gap them to 44 thou. But I'll get started on getting the first one out and see if they're stuck or not. Okay, got the first plug out. Here it is. Not even sure these are the correct ones. They're supposed to be in there. Let's see what it says. LFR 6CP. And the part number I have here for the OEM is this. So that could be some issues. Ended up jacking up the engine to get some more room in here. Show you what I did. Just put a 2x4 on an oil pan, and then the two engine mounts. A lot of oil there. Just a second. And if you kind of see in here, no, still can't see. But these are the engine mounts right here. And right underneath them, they have a 14mm nut. So take those off on both sides, and then you can jack up the engine. I also took off the bolt for the dog bone so I can move a bit. Let's just get a side by side of the new plug. I mean, it doesn't look horrible, but like I said, I have no clue about the history on this, so just gonna do them and see how she runs after that. Just got the other side put together. Starting on the other side, same thing, just jacked up the engine. Should be enough room. Took the battery out and the washer bottle. Just two little bolts here. This be on the back here. Then it pops out. I just unplug the connectors, and they're color coded so you can't mess them up. It's right here, green, green. But let's get on to this side. Looks like this one have a bit more room, so it shouldn't be as long as the other side. And great, Canada is snowing already, so I'm gonna have to be quick before I freeze. Okay, just working on the final plug now. At least this one I could kind of get like straight in on it. Still need the swivel, but it seems to be getting there. Hands are getting cold, so hopefully I'm done soon.